Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes and food reviews as one. Today's a really quick food review. It's on 365 Whole Foods peeled garlic. It's organic. This comes in a bag and it's really handy because it's peeled and it's in individual cloves. And actually, I just bought this the other day and look at the date. This lasts October 1st, 2021, so the dates are really good on this. And you can keep fresh garlic in the refrigerator. So I'm going to open this up at the top and pull out one or two cloves, and you can see. And the thing is, if recipes are not for you, on my channel I do a lot of food reviews, like 2 or 3 a week. And come back on Tuesdays and Thursdays because I'll post food reviews. So let's open this. So this is the inside of the bag. You get a very good amount of cloves, and this is what they look like inside. So you definitely can't go wrong. I buy this product all the time, and it gives you fresh garlic for all different kinds of cooks and recipes, and you don't have to peel it. It's just so convenient. So it's organic peeled garlic from 365, and it's definitely worth it. And like I said, you get a really long shelf life, especially for fresh garlic. So if you like food reviews and like seeing different products, then definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell and come back every Tuesday and Thursday for food reviews. If you're not into recipes, like I said, you can still come to my channel because you'll see new products on Tuesday and Thursday. This is a special food review for a Wednesday. It's a bonus. I'll see you tomorrow with another food review. Peace. Dan Soy. Love you. Bye-bye.